What's going on in Kherson? Are Russians leaving the city? Are they retreating or preparing to fight? Here are all available informations. People driving around Kherson city are reporting that all roadblocks and soldiers are gone. Flags are taken down from government buildings. Defensive positions north of the city are abandoned. Russian installed official in Kherson, Kirill Stremausov, says Russian troops will most likely pull back to the left bank of the Dnipro, so people should leave Kherson city urgently. He says it's not certain but most likely. On the front, Mala Setemynika in Kherson region has been liberated by the armed forces of Ukraine. In Ola Pristan, Kherson region explosions were heard too last night. On the video it's visible that local administration building become the target. Western official expresses confidence that Russian planning to withdraw from Kherson is well advanced. A large portion of the civilian population has now moved east and Russia has highly likely prioritized a temporary bolstering of force in the area to cover the retreat. Gray zone suggests the flags are being removed from the Kherson city administration in order to not give Ukrainians an opportunity to film patriotic videos with replacement of the flags like they did before. Russian-channeled Va Miora, 2 majors, predicts the withdrawal of Russian troops from the Kherson area in the nearest future, listing a number of substantial reasons. They believe the question has been decided a while ago. Here we can see Kherson locals applaud in a city bus as they pass by an abandoned Russian checkpoint for the first time. Yesterday Russians abounded one of the city's most cruel and infamous checkpoints in Kherson, Ostrov district. Russian forces seem to have released all prisoners from captivity and have left the police HQ and FSB offices in the city. The situation in Kherson is clear as mud. Russian forces seem to withdraw from some parts, evacuated, and drew down, but also reinforced with mobilized personnel. The fighting there is difficult. Despite constrained supply, Russian forces do not appear to be out of ammo. Still, it remains unclear whether Russia intends to fight for Kherson city, perhaps using more expendable or mobilized units while preserving better troops. Forcing a Russian retreat from Kherson's right bank will bring Ukrainian systems within range of some ground lines of communication from Crimea. But, it will also give Russian forces a large natural barrier, less terrain to defend, and a higher force density to terrain ratio. If the Russians start pulling back from the left bank, I would be watching the near dam 24/7 for any suspicious activity.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.